Our seller made $100,000 from this drastic renovation. We didn't just focus on the big things, but we have the attention to detail to paint these little things like the gate and the gutters, and we even replaced the mailbox. As you enter the home, we have a nice little entryway that flows nicely to the living room. A little bit of a drop down, but it's really nice to separate the living room and the dining room table. We also have brand new luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the whole home, as well as high ceilings, open beam that just make the space feel really open, really big. When we first came to this kitchen, these doors were not here. It was boarded up, plywooded up, and the kitchen, it wasn't even livable. You couldn't cook, you couldn't do any of that. And so we gutted the whole thing and we put in brand new quartz countertops, shaker cabinets, their soft close, all new appliances throughout, new fixtures, and even a new shutoff valve. We have a full-size washer and dryer here with a new vent that goes to the exterior so you can keep that dust and must outside. We have our first hallway bathroom here. Brand new quartz countertops and shaker cabinets, new toilet and new tile in the shower, and we also have a nice skylight as well for more natural light. The primary bedroom is very spacious with its high ceilings as well. We have a full-size walk-in closet. Here in the bathroom, we have brand new quartz countertops, shaker cabinets, a new toilet, and a nice walk-in shower. So if you want to go from this to this, we can help you. This project took 8 weeks to complete. We manage everything from beginning to end. We'll first come in and do an initial site assessment. We'll bring in a contractor, we'll get an estimate, a scope of work, a cost to that, and from there, we'll manage the whole process. We can help you get it to this beautiful home that it is now.